From ancient stargazers to modern scientists, space science has always enabled India to stand proud on the world map. A spacefaring nation, reaching beyond limits, inspiring millions. To carry this legacy forward, the next generation must dream bigger, explore deeper, and begin their journey at the grassroots. The Navars Astronomy and Space Lab brings this dream to life. Equipped with rocket models, working models of satellite replicas, functional rovers, and advanced astronomy tools. With over 100 hands-on kits, students build, create, and innovate, developing vital STEM skills through curiosity and imagination. It's a universe of learning, where astronomy, robotics, coding, and science come together to provide a learning experience that is unique to the space labs. That's why over 150 schools across the globe trust Navars Edutech, nurturing young minds to take India's space story to even greater heights. Because the future of space begins here, in the classroom.